Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make $1,300 using this free bot. This is free and available worldwide. Also, it is hassle-free, it is fast and easy that will help you earn passive income. You can start making money right away with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to even make more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to stay with me until the end of the tutorial. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. If you haven't already, you may be familiar with the website cjinc.info, which I will be discussing with you. This is a make money website with creative jobs, work from home, and earn money online since we believe you have the essential skills. You've come to the right place if you have a few hours per day to spend in front of your computer completing short, time-bound, and high-paying chores. They're looking for people that thrive on change and challenge, are creative and self-assured, and are eager to take on new duties right away. They will reimburse you for your time if you are available to join. They're also entirely free, which I'm sure many of you appreciate. This is due to the fact that this method is available all over the world. You can utilize it wherever you are. Also, don't forget to include your full name as your signature. And once you've finished filling out this form, click Submit. If you go back to the previous page, you'll notice that they'll send you a script with multiple errors that proofreading projects will provide to you in digitally pre-typed image form or physical handwritten form to help you understand how to do the work. Our client or partners provide samples for you. cjinc.info is one of the few places where you may start with nothing and work your way up to a full-time income. Let me explain how this website works now that that's out of the way. You will not make money by doing surveys, watching movies, or clicking on advertisements on this website. You can browse your jobs that are in great demand online. However, they do pay a respectable wage. Market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online education are all options. We'll concentrate on one task in particular: proofreading. Proofreading, for those of you who don't know, comprises repairing numerous flaws in text, and it does require a higher degree of English expertise. However, I will showcase a free tool that will automatically correct any defects and typos in any post, and I will compose an article with multiple flaws on purpose to show that it works. If you have abilities in marketing, research typing jobs, translation, advertising, or online education, you can focus on other categories. For example, all of you need to get a typing job. Typing job is a quick typing speed. Working as a translation is even better and can pay off handsomely if you know 2 or more languages. The point is emphasized in this tutorial. I'll focus on proofreading, but you're free to do whatever you want. To begin working as a proofreader on our website, simply register by hovering your mouse over Career in the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll want to select that choice because you're seeking for a proofreading job. The proofreader goes over the work, checking for errors in spacing, punctuation, spelling, alignment, type font, and style, as well as other aspects on the next page. The proofreader combs through the work looking for any glitches in proofreading, which includes spaces, punctuation, spelling, alignment, type font, and style, and other details. This term comes from the proofs, the final trial, print used to make corrections before the final printing. They'll also talk about the nature of the job, and more importantly for us, the pay. As you can see, depending on the nature of the work and accuracy standards, you can earn anywhere from $5 to $10 per page, or for 1,000 words as a proofreader. You may easily make a lot of money as a proofreader, even if your English skills is minimal, because I will be offering a program that will help you correct article problems. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. So, to apply for work as a proofreader, all you have to do is scroll down a little and click on this button that says Apply for Jobs. And you'll be directed to this page where you can apply. After clicking this link to download the application form, you will be directed to this website, where you must fill out some basic demographic information about yourself. You must first choose a job that you want to apply for, which is, of course, proofreading, and then complete the rest of the form. You'll notice that they accept PayPal as a payment method below, which is excellent. And all you have to do now is tick the box indicating that you agree to the rules. Also, don't forget to sign your name with your full name, and once you've completed the form, click Submit. You'll notice on the previous page that they'll provide you a script with various faults that proofreading projects will present to you in a digitally pre-typed image form or actual handwritten form to help you learn how to complete a task our clients or partners apply sample for you. This is when the previously described device comes in handy. Grammarly is the name of the application, and their website is grammarly.com. This is something I've been using for quite some time, and I can guarantee you that it's 100% genuine. It's also one of the most effective tools for fixing text errors. We'll need to add Grammarly as an extension to Chrome, so if you're using Chrome, click this to go to the website where you may do so. If you don't want to do that, you can sign up using your Gmail account, Facebook account, or Apple ID. After that, simply agree and sign up. They will ask you a few things, such as why do you need Grammarly, and after answering all of those basic questions, you will get at this page where you can see that Grammarly does offer a premium plan. This is precisely what we must do when proofreading. So rather than paying Grammarly, you can use that money for something else. Now, I'll try to show you how Grammarly works by copying an article and inserting some errors to see how Grammarly tackles them. I took an article about losing weight from medicalnewstoday.com and copied it. I copied the material into Google Docs and edited it to make it less prone to errors. Take a look at this screenshot. It not only caught every mistake, including little ones like punctuation marks, but it also shows you the overall score of your text in terms of correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. So Grammarly goes above and beyond simply collecting your grammar errors, and you can do it all for free. The best thing is that you don't have to manually correct each error because you can simply click the errors over here and your post's text errors will be automatically corrected. Then it's as easy as copying and pasting the article from cjinc.info into Google Docs using Grammarly to fix all of the text errors and sending it back to them. After that, being recruited as a proofreader on their website will be a breeze. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make $1,300 using this free bot. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to your channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you in the next video.